Alright guys, are you having a too much problem? It's always saying the ink is running out on Epson XP4245. So what you need to do, you just has to be reset the ink. Sometimes if you have ink, even though 10% or 20%, it still says your ink is running out. Don't waste your money and don't buy any extra ink. So just what you have to do, take out all the ink, and there's a reset button on the back. If I can show you, there's a reset button, so you can press it and reset it. I'll show you how to reset it. And make sure when you take out all the inks, you turn up your printer 10 minutes list, and then you reset all the ink same way. So this is the reset. So there is a reset button, you just press it. Yeah, that's all. And then you put it back and you can see the magics and it will work. Alright guys, thank you very much. Thanks for your help.